Wow, I wonder where it goes after it gets cut down.
Probably to the sawmill downtown.
Yeah, I'm pouring hardwoods.
Let's go check it out.
Logs come in on the trucks. They lay them out, normally according to species.
Once it gets into the sawmill, it goes through the debarker, which the debarker obviously takes the bark off the log and goes to one of the two head saws.
So you guys see the debarker take the bark off, and it comes into the head saws. These are both identical, this cab and that cab. See the red lines on the log? Now when I dog that down where I have the dogs on and pull the trigger, it automatically sets for me. And it tries to give me 4 inches wide by at least 6 foot long. That's a good board to take on a first cut.
Saw's job is to get the best quality lumber off of each log, and a lot of boards will be sent to the edger, and a lot of boards will be sent to the end trimmer.
Air can go between them and everything to dry all the lumber and all that. So when they go into kilns, they look like that, and then when they come out, we'll go over to the breakdown.
What I think's cool is that we can have components in people's homes all throughout the world. Kitchen cabinets, furniture. It's pretty neat that we can have those things all across the United States and the world.
There's nothing that I dislike about my job.
There's not much that I don't enjoy about it. I really like it. I really like just about everything that I do.
And that's what's cool about manufacturing.